Welcome back everybody to Tutorial Sunday. I am your host, the RetroYuuki, and today we're going to be talking about the editor of MakerKing, a game on Steam you can download for free that works like Mario Maker. So let's take a look at the editor for MakerKing right here. And as you guys can see, I am back in my hub world as Lunar Level 2005. And we're going to take a look at the editor to edit a level or to make a level. Hit this plus block button here, and you're going to get to this. This is your editor of MakerKing here, and on the right side of your screen here, you're going to have your blocks and objects. We're going to talk about each type in just a moment. You also have the test button. We also have the eraser tool and any other cool stuff you want to do with this tool right here. We'll talk about some of those later. The magnifying tool and the select tool. So let's go ahead and lay down some blocks for you guys. To do so, hit the block that you want to make, and you can just click and clicky on where you want to play your blocks here. Usually for my levels, I make a wall, so I screen out or zoom out using my mouse. And I'm going to put it all the way up here so that we can block this side of the board. Excuse me, at the level. To move to the right, you can use the arrow keys. And we're going to make a level here all the way up to here. We're not going to make a big level for the sake of this tutorial. And then we're going to end the level right around here. I'm going to build the wall so that we don't have our players going out of bounds. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to make this side right here. It is similar to the level I made in my video. I'm going to put that in the description below as well, so that you guys can check that out. So I'm going to make my wall right there, so we can block out of bounds. And there we go. So I'm going to put an additional layer of this wall so that we can end the level right there. Now, this is a bad level design because obviously I'm not going to complete the level in the way. I'm just going to do that for the sake of this tutorial. Now, we want to make sure we put an ending spot. So on the right side, you're going to scroll down all the way to level, and you want to end the level using this star like that. And we need a way up, so we're going to bring up our blocks. We're going to do here, let's erase that. So to erase that, right click, hold right click. You can use this selection tool, right click, hold right click, and press delete. Alright, we're going back to blocks again. We're going to go ahead and build our bridge of heaven, if you will, or whatever you want to call it, until we get to the flagpole, and we should be alright there. And then along the way we can add obstacles, like we can do like spike. We're gonna build a spike here. Again, same thing. Of course, don't make it too difficult because the software actually make it the difficulty for you. Okay, we're just gonna do that for the sake of simplicity. Press test to test the level, and the controls to play the game are just like the regular stuff. The spacebar to jump. We're gonna go all the way to the level end here, and there we go, and finish. That's the level. Now don't actually share this, okay? Don't share this with everybody. That is just for experimental purposes only, because this level is way too short and way too easy. You're going to get 100% clear rate almost all the time. So now I want to show you guys how to share your level properly. Now I say properly because there's a method to do this. So let's go ahead and take a look at the menu on the top here. Click this wrench to activate the menu. We're gonna rename our level. Let's just say my first level, and press rename. Press the wrench again, and you're gonna see edit tags. Now that is where the level gameplay comes into play, and level up system. So depending on which one you choose first will determine what type of level it is. If you choose Kaizo, you can choose two other tags. You can choose Troll, Speed Challenge, Escape Room, or Puzzle. Let's go to Puzzle. Then you can choose one more tag to play, and we're gonna do Speed Challenge. Then you can press OK. Now don't do this because it is not a Kaizo level. So I'm going to edit my tags again and click out on these three. Let's go to Exploration, and then you can go to Puzzle, and you can go to Troll. Those are the combinations you can do. Notice how these are grayed out. They do not apply to an exploration level. Same thing if you choose Kaizo. Speed Challenge can apply because there are some speedrunners. Puzzle, Troll, Escape Room, and Speed Challenge are available. Now if you choose Speed Challenge, you can do Kaizo, Puzzle, Troll. If you choose Escape Room, Kaizo, normally Escape Room is a Kaizo, Puzzle, or Troll. And depending on which ones you choose will determine which other categories you can play with. Alright? So that's how it works for the tag. We're going to choose Exploration for this one and press OK. It's not a puzzle because there are no puzzles involved. We're going to talk about puzzle making at another time once I get into it. Now here's the big one. Here's the big button that you need to know about. And that is going to be upload level. So we're going to need to upload our level. We can just do that by clicking this save button. And it's good to go. It's uploaded. Here's the big boy. Click on the wrench again. You're going to see a brand new option called lock level. Now in order to lock your level though, you need to play the game online once as if the game was already play the level online once as if this was already public. So that is important if you want to lock your level. So to do so, click the star here and go to your levels, and it's uploaded. So we're going to play. Now play the level to beat the level. That's how you do this. Now I'm not going to go back to this level again unless it's for tutorial purposes. So next, and then press X here, and then you're done with your level. Now the reason why we need to do that though is because we need to lock it. So you go back to your levels, go to edit, and the way you do this is you go back to the wrench and you're going to lock level. Now I want to warn you, if you lock your level, you cannot edit your level again, and it becomes public, by the way. Okay, so I want to warn you now before you lock your level. Okay, so we're gonna lock our level anyway for the sake of this tutorial. So we're gonna lock our level, and the level is locked, and you can no longer edit the level. But for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to find levels. So there are two ways to find levels here. I'm going to highlight my username here. You can use my username, RetroYuuki, for example, and there's going to be an ID number. Each ID represents a level. So in this case, the ID number for this particular level is 20,648. Don't play this level, watch. It's going to be too easy for you guys. So that's why I said this is for exploration purposes. Now to find this level, click the star, you go to here, search level name or ID, And we're gonna go to 26. Let me see what number did I put here. 48. By the way, those are assigned to you randomly. So as you guys can see, my first level by me, there is a easy rating there right away. And there is a player that already played this level. Now don't play this level because it's too easy. I just did this for exploration purposes. I will show you my level. I did with my regular account. 18, 16, 6. Yuuki's first level. Okay? So this one you can play, and it actually does have a... It does not have a rating yet though. That's weird, but that's okay. So you play a level. This is the level I showed you on my YouTube channel. Now I will warn you though, this is not, it is on a normal category. Alright? So there is a world record here. There is a world record. And the world record I think is 5 seconds. 5.3. Alright? So you can make a review here in this comment box. Make a rating here. And submit review. That's how you do it. And that is how you do the editor. Now, another thing about this game, you can do aspect of chat. You click your level chat room. You can also make a new chat room if you want. You can go visit the global chat room. I will warn you, the global chat room will be filled with other comments, so be very careful. Okay, you can make your own room and all your chat room and stuff. Okay, that's the basics of the editor for our game MakerKing. The game MakerKing, I should say, not my game, but you know. If you guys have any questions about the editor or anything else, let me know in the comments below. I will try to do more difficult types of levels. But until then, guys, this is RetroYuuki saying have fun making your game and enjoy the game. Make sure you guys check the description for how to play, how to download the game and all that good stuff. But for now, we'll see you guys in our next tutorial.